ये बाइक लेके बाहर जाने वाले
Silence हो जाओ 2 minutes.
Called Poetic License we are doing to revive the city's Irani cafes. So every 2 weeks we have a guest or two and we talk about something specific about movies. So writing movies, how actors and directors work together. And today we have Farah and Nawaz to talk about their journeys. We get a lot of regulars and they all are like aspiring writers, directors. And they always ask us questions about how to make it. And there's no formula. But we wanted to get two people who have really made it in the business and talk about how they did that.
But how did you come up with this idea for the Irani cafe?
Well, so we've been doing this for about 3 months now, and now all the Irani cafes and also a lot of people have started contacting us to do these sessions. We came up with the idea because when we were making Lunchbox, we shot in an Irani cafe, Koolad Cafe. So in that process, while we were actually finalizing locations, we lost Bastani, and this place also almost closed down. That's why we thought we should do something about it. We are also making an application. We are making an application which is going to allow people to do self-guided tours of Irani cafes. So every table in every Irani cafe is going to be RFID tagged, and you could come to these cafes, you could take a picture of that RFID tag and listen to the history of that cafe. So we are doing a lot of things, but this is just one of the initiatives we are doing.
नवाज, आप कितने कैफेज में जा चुके हैं अब तक बॉम्बे के इरानी कैफेज में कितने सारे?
मेरे ख्याल से मैं काफ़ी अभी तो सिर्फ 25 कैफे हैं अभी, और आई थिंक मैं 15 के आसपास कैफे में जब हम लोग आए थे तब ईरानी कैफे काफ़ी यूज़ करते थे क्योंकि एक तो चीप होता था और दूसरा इंटरेस्टिंग फूड्स होते थे उसमें, मस्का बन और चाय और इस तरह की चीज़ें, जैसे महबूब स्टूडियो के पास में भी, और यहाँ पे भी कई बार आ चुकी हूँ।
आपका फेवरेट खाना क्या है यहाँ पे?
मेरा है कीमा पाव।
And what about you, Ritesh?
Bun maska. I'm simple, not fancy.
Farah, yes, come in the picture. Tell us, what's your favorite food here?
I think this actually not many people know this belongs to my family. It's my grandfather and my mama still sits at the galla. So when Ritesh
Farah actually helped us to get
when
it.
Ritesh told me that he wants to do this in a Irani cafe, I think this was the best place to come. I love everything about there, the bun omelette, the broom pav with maska and the mawa cakes, which मैंने 5 dozen order किए हैं।
Wow.
सबके
I'll
लिए
take one
आज।
home.
हाँ। अगर आप धक्का नहीं मारोगे हम सबको मावा केक
मुझे धक्का मार रहे हैं. I need more. Okay, so tell us, like he said about this campaign in Irani cafes, we have only 25 left.
Yes.
So
I think this one is also sold.
Almost.
The building
Yeah.
is gone. I hope they convert it still to a Irani cafe and keep it.
So how can we save Irani cafes? How?
Yeah, it is very difficult because the people who own it actually need the money. So it's very difficult for us to say that they should not sell it. It's the government should actually subsidize them or do something that they can still afford to run them.
So you are here, like he said, he has invited both of you. So what are you guys actually talking about today?
Even I am very keen to know what Nawaz and we are going to talk. This may be the weirdest combination you see on Poetic License.
Absolutely.
You know, the
But
thing is that
I'm a huge fan of Nawaz. I was just telling him, I saw Badlapur only last night and I was completely blown. I called everybody from the movie in the morning. I called Varun, I called Sriram, but I said I'll meet him and tell him how fantastic he is.
फराह एक्टिंग और फिल्म मेकिंग की बात हो रही है तो हाल ही में शशि कपूर साहब को भी दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड से नवाजा गया, कुछ कमेंट करना चाहेंगे आप और नवाज भाई? आप
10-15 साल पहले देना चाहिए था। हम हमारे अवार्ड्स और एक्कोलेट्स हमेशा 20 साल बाद में देते हैं। मैं तो बोल रही हूँ हम तीनों का अभी दे दो, मत वेट करो।
होम डिलीवरी कर दीजिए.
Okay, we are doing a campaign called Free Your Mind. So I want to relate this, like, you know, what you want to tell people in Bombay and around the Irani cafes in a lot of places where people don't know about it. So what do you have to say to them?
I think it's very easy to find now where the Irani cafes are. You just Google, you'll find them. You have to be a connoisseur, but you have to have the love to go and and eat at a place like this. I think most families don't frequent such places, but there's a lot of heritage and a lot of, for me, a lot of memories with Irani cafes. And the only time we go now is when we are shooting in Irani cafes.
Yeah,
That's the only time we end up going.
Farah, what's your favorite?
आपके शो में अलग अलग तरह के डिशेस खाने मिलेगा, इस तरह की डिश भी कोई
आज अभी नेक्स्ट पार्ट सीजन 2 में इधर करने वाली हूँ। अलग अलग
आप तीनों यहाँ पे हैं, कुछ फिल्म एक साथ करने का कुछ प्लान तो नहीं है इस तरह का ऐसा?
आई हैव टोल्ड रितेश
ये मुझे कास्ट कर रही है, ये मुझे लॉन्च करने वाली है।
और ये मुझे कास्ट करने वाले हैं बिकॉज ये मेकिंग अ मूवी अबाउट द पारसी कल्चर।
Farah, what's your favorite memory of a Irani cafe?
I think for me, the whole family would come. That's why mamas, like I told you, my mother's brothers still run the counter every morning. And Sajid, we used to come to Minerva to see Sholay. And from Sholay, we would come directly here to eat Mawa cakes. And
It's free
What
for
about
you.
you, Nawaz?
yeah, free for everyone.
Favorite memory? Irani cafe?
Just मैं will near about the studio, the cafe. We have lots of
Thank you.